Want a job in Japan?
My name is Miss Pamin Nanya, and soon I'll be working in Japan.
I got to know about this opportunity from a poster in my college, and after seeing that, I joined this program.
It was a very nice step. The Japanese learning program was really good. I have lived every moment.
Japanese course itself is really interesting and very fun to learn with friends together.
After 12th or nursing, not sure what job to choose? Now, you can get a caregiver job in Japan. Genrise, in partnership with Runo Health, is assisting candidates get healthcare jobs in Japan. We prepare you with Japanese language and international caregiving training, followed by placement support. Earn up to 12 to 15 lakhs per year. 80 plus candidates already placed in Japan. If you're between 18 and 28, you can apply. Your job in Japan could be next. Apply now.